guys and welcome back to my vlog. So today I am going to Global Village with my friends. So let's see what we do there. So let's go.
Hey, what's up? Subscribe to Accessible TV. Also subscribe to Janwar TV.
So guys, we have met up with our friends and we are right now waiting to go inside Global Village. We are now entering Global Village and soon we are going to enter a pavilion. So let's see what pavilion we are going to enter first. So guys, as you can see here, there's beautiful lightings and I don't know, structures like this which have lights on them which are continuously changing and it's so beautiful. Global Village is a very awesome place where you can explore things that are in other pavilions and there are so much things here. So as you can see in the distance, there's a Christmas tree with the Global Village logo on top of it and it's so cool. There's Pakistan Pavilion and right beside Pakistan Pavilion is Turkey. There are elves over here. I don't know. Yeah, they're elves and they're everywhere. And if you can see here, here's the tree up close and it's very beautiful. So as you can see, there's countries and their names written around here. So like that's USA. They've made these type of stands where they sell stuff. We are moving forward and there is so much music. And I want to see the Turkish. These guys play tricks like this. These guys play tricks like this. So guys, we have fun because they have snow projectors over there and every time snow falls down, fakes, not real, okay? And every time, but you have to wait for a little while because it takes time to load. Guys, over there, kids party is happening and they're gonna get snacks and while I'm sitting here and I'm gonna get nothing. So this was the first out of 7 fireworks. There are 7 fireworks in total and these fireworks are very awesome and cool. So after that we went to get food and there was a food street over here. The food street was very crowded because it's holidays and there was burgers. They were selling so much stuff and there was also Arab food and so much more food. And finally from Doner Fries we bought food for us and we came across this village which was like old and there were camels sitting inside so you can ride them for payment. So this is an old style hut where people used to live in. This was when real houses were not created. And now we are exiting the place. And there was a old type of shop written in Arabic. I couldn't read it because I don't know Arabic that much. And there was an old type of Land Rover. It was very cool. these cars are like very strong and they're very cool to ride in. So I found the glasses on the ground. They were from the mirror race. So I tried it to show you the effects. So these fireworks are Pakistan fireworks for the Pakistan Happy New Year. So these fireworks are for Pakistan. Here me and Arsha were saying Happy New Year Pakistan, but I muted it because of copyright music. So this is the UAE firework. So because UAE had Happy New Year and I muted it because the reason is they were playing FIFA World Cup music and I could have gotten copyright. And after this one was Turkey. So here I was playing with Hani because she was also having a little fun. So the weather was so cold and everyone was cheering and saying Happy New Year. So this is the main stage and a music concert was going on and I muted the music because of copyright music. So I hope you like my vlog. If you like my vlog, like, share and subscribe and I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye and Happy New Year.